Hi there. So in this video we are going to talk about PHP multidimensional arrays. In previous video we saw index array and associative arrays. Those are called single dimension array. So what is multidimensional array? So it is a variable which contain multiple arrays as a value. So array is a variable which contains multiple values, that is called array. And multidimensional array, so in it is an array in which multiple arrays are as value. So without wasting time, let's see how multidimensional arrays can define and how we can access the value from the multi-dimension. So we will take this as an example. So let's assume in computers we have multiple students. So in that case we can define another array over here like this. And we can add multiple students over here. So in this main array we are adding another array as a value. So now this is called multi-dimensional array because in this particular key a value is an array. So similarly, let's add multiple users to IT branch. Similarly, add to mechanical branch. So now this is a two-dimensional array. Why? Because it has this single array as a value. So let's print out this array. Let me remove this and let's quickly execute the file, and I'll explain why it is called two-dimensional array. So as you can see, it has this one key and another pair of array, which is this. So this is one and this is another one. That's why it is called two-dimensional array. One dimension is this, the main array, and another dimension is this, the inner array. So that is why it is called one dimensional. So the number of dimension array has the number of bracket we should use to get the value from particular array. So as this is two-dimensional array, one is this, another one is this. So let's say I want to get this user from computer branch. So I would copy this. This is first dimension, and in the computer this is another dimension. So I we should do this to get the value from multiple dimension. So let's print this, and we get this value. So this is two-dimensional array, that's why we had to use two brackets. Now this has another dimension too, so let me add one more branch. Let's say automobile, and in automobile let's say there is one more branch, bikes, and I can add multiple bikes. Royal Enfield, Hero, and one more sub part should be cars, and add multiple cars. Maruti, BMW. So now this has three dimensions. First one is this auto, second one is the bike, and third one is this. Let's print this. So this is first dimension, then the second one, and the third dimension. So to get value of third dimension, we have to add another bracket. So it should be three brackets, and I want to fetch this hero from bikes. So what I use is auto, then bikes, and then index 1, and we get hero. So this is how it looks like, and this is how multi-dimensional array works in the PHP. I hope this concept is clear now. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video.